Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see how to use ForEach in SwiftUI. ForEach is nothing but a structure that takes an array of identifiable objects and computes views from those objects. First, let's create a model. We will create a fruit model with a name. Now let's create our fruit instances. So we'll create a fruit array in our content view, and we'll make fruits with names. So we'll make apple, orange, and mango. And once we have our fruits, we will create a ForEach structure that takes fruits array and an ID parameter. And for the ID parameter, we will pass the object, the fruit itself, that is self. As you can see, we got an error saying fruit doesn't conform to Hashable. So to make it hashable, we'll just adhere to Hashable protocol, because all of the properties of the fruit already are hashable, because it has only one property, name, and that is a default Swift string that is already hashable. If you see on the right side in the preview, we are getting multiple previews, but we wanted a vertical stack of the fruits. So we'll put our ForEach into a V stack. We were getting multiple previews with each fruit on different preview is because we were passing ForEach directly to the body of the content view. So it created a different preview with each fruit. So passing self in ID param of the ForEach structure seemed to work as long as our model structure is hashable. If you're using a custom structure, you have to adhere to Hashable protocol. And if your structure has only default Swift properties that are already hashable, then your structure will conform to Hashable without any further requirements. If you don't want to adhere to Hashable protocol, what you can do is, instead of passing self in the ID, you can have a property in your structure that is unique, and you can pass that property instead of self in the ID. And another way to use ForEach is you can drop the ID param altogether if your structure conforms to identifiable protocol. And to conform to identifiable protocol, your structure just need to have an ID property that is unique. So now we have understood all the concepts. So let's take another example to showcase use cases for each. And this time we are going to use colors instead of text.